So how much money do you think you make with a video with 1 million views on YouTube? That's what we're going to take a look in today's video. I'm not sure if you knew this, but we have 3 different channels we're creating content for, and very soon we're going to have a 4th channel. And some of them, or most of them, are much bigger than the channel you're watching right now. The Figco en Español has 270 some thousand subscribers, and Ella Te Explica, one of our first channels, has over 500,000 subscribers. So what we're going to do today is show you how much money we're making from each of those channels, and specifically how much money we made from videos with over 1 million views. Let's check it out. Okay, so here's a list of our top videos for the Figco en Español, the Spanish version of this channel. You can see this video has 2.1 million views and this one has 1.3 million views. Both of our top videos are about TikTok. The first one is 13 tricks for TikTok, and the second one is how to make money from TikTok. How much money do you think that we've earned from each one of these videos? Let me know down below in the comments. Well, let's take a look. So the first one, TikTok tricks, with 2.1 million views, has earned us $1,500, almost $1,600. And the other video is almost $5 million. So both of the videos are about TikTok. Why so much variation as far as how much we've earned from each one of these videos? So one of the things, if you go to the revenue sections, you'll see a metric called RPM, which I mentioned earlier. So let's go here. So you can see this one earned 75 cents, and this one was earning $3.70 per view. One of the issues with this video is that it really took off around April and May of 2020, which was right as COVID was hitting. Most advertisers cut their budget. So when we were getting tons of views, if we go back here, you can see the big bump up right here. There wasn't a lot of money being spent on advertising on YouTube. One of the other differences is the topic. So the fact that it has money in the title of the video, how to make money. So there's a bunch of advertisers that would want to be in front of people that are trying to grow a business, trying to make money, much more so than maybe just someone looking to grow on TikTok. So one of the things that I think is really important here that you'll learn more about as you start making money from YouTube, or especially if you run ads on YouTube, you can see that what are the different ways that an advertiser can segment an audience. So they could choose, I want to advertise on this video, or I want people who are interested in Mercedes-Benz, or I want to show ads to someone that is looking for a Rolex watch, or someone who likes to drink Mountain Dew. And so each one of those types of people are the things that they're interested in. Each of those advertisers has a different budget, and they're willing to spend more or less per each view or 1,000 views that they're going to show their ad to. And so the more profit or the more expensive the product is, the more that they could potentially spend on advertising. The other thing, obviously, is the part of the world they're in. So our Spanish content, we can check out the audience for this video, for example. So you see Mexico, Peru, Argentina, Colombia, and Spain. So this is going to be quite a bit different from our English content, which we're going to look at right now. So you can see this is the video with the most views. I know it has an amazing thumbnail. This was, I think, the second video we put up on this channel, but it has 357,000 views. And hey, this video has made $5,487, which is more than the videos that have millions of views. And so what happens here, you look at the revenue, and the RPM for this video is over $15. And so each person that's seen this, the advertisers are willing to pay much more. If we take a look at the audience for this video, where in the world are people who are watching this? You can see the largest audience is the US. Then you have India, UK, Canada, and Australia. So these English-speaking markets in general, especially the US, Canada, and a lot of Europe, pay quite a bit more as far as what they pay per 1,000 views. I'll put up right here basically the list of how much we make across all of our channels. So you can see the US makes significantly more per 1,000 views than the Spanish version of this channel, or Ella Te Explica, the channel we're going to look at in just a second. So looking at this channel, you can see also sorted by videos, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have a dozen videos with over 1 million views on this channel, but this is essentially dating advice for men from a woman's point of view. And so most of the audience here, again, think about who is watching these videos, a little bit younger. It's not necessarily geared toward someone buying something expensive or something like that. You can probably imagine what we earn per 1,000 views of these videos. Is it higher or lower than our English channel or the Spanish version of the Figco? You probably figured out this would pay less per 1,000 views than the other two channels. And so let's take a look at, say, this top video. If you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, we have a free YouTube masterclass. It's a ton of information to help you grow your YouTube channel and make more money from it. If you're interested in signing up, I'll put a link down below in the description. Okay, so you can see this video with 3 million views has earned a little bit over 2,000. So it's better than the one other TikTok video, but not as good as the how to make money with TikTok or the English video. And so you can see this video only makes 72 cents per thousand. So now I want to show you an overview of basically how much we're making for RPM across each of the 3 channels. So let's check the Spanish channel first, go to analytics, then go to revenue. And then so you can see the Spanish version of this channel overall is earning around $3.76 per thousand views. Now let's check out this channel, the Figco. So you can see here we're earning $19.11 per thousand view. So you can see on way less views, we're earning almost as much on the English channel as we are on the Spanish. This has 12,000 subs versus 270,000 subscribers. Then if we go to the revenue for Te Explica, we're earning around $1.21. So you can see, depending on where your audience is based, the topic of your videos, the types of ads that can be shown to that audience, or the types of advertisers that want to get in front of that audience can really affect dramatically how much you're making per view, per thousand views, per million views. And so I would imagine gaming channels or channels kind of geared towards a younger audience is much, much different than, say, personal finance, mortgages, buying a car, things like that. You're going to see a big difference depending on the type of content you're creating to what you might be earning for the views of your videos. So what YouTube pays you for the views of your videos is not the only way that you can make money from YouTube. If you want to learn all the different ways that you can make money from your YouTube channel, check out the video up above. If you want to learn how to monetize and earn money from AdSense from your channel, check out the video below. Hope to see you in those and future videos. Bye-bye.